New Zealand king salmon defrosted overnight in paper towels and tuna paper. We're gonna show you how to remove the skin, and we're gonna talk about slicing for sashimi. Our goal is to make perfect bites, mouth-sized bites. Consideration when slicing for sashimi: what's the texture of the fish and how fatty is it? What's the shape of it, so that each piece is perfect. Salmon, like this, the fattiest fish around, you can go a little bit thicker, whereas a firmer fish like yellowtail, you're gonna go quite a bit thinner, so that each bite will melt in your mouth. So to start with, we have skin on the bottom and we have connective tissue down the middle. So our first slice is going to be, first two slices are gonna be on either side of this, down to the level of the skin. We're gonna stop at the skin, and we're gonna make a hard right or a hard left on either side of it. So starting with the butt of the knife up here, allowing the knife to cut. I'm not applying pressure, I'm letting the knife draw. So now the knife is parallel to the skin, to the table. We removed the skin, we left some of that fat on there, that's beautiful. And then this one, butt of the knife right here, right up to the edge of that connective tissue. Let the knife and pulling the knife do the slicing. I'm not applying downward pressure, I'm letting the knife do the cutting. Once I get to this edge, that came right here, then I'm gonna angle the knife flat to the cutting board and just slice along there. This one I didn't do as good of a job. I left a little bit too much meat on there, but it's delicious. I'm testing. This is amazing quality fish, so everything is edible. If you really love your animals, come here, Marley. Feed it to your dogs. And they're really happy and they have beautiful coats. Now we just have to decide how thick we want to make these slices. The width of this is pretty good, so I'm probably just gonna go straight down and I'm gonna put it at a thickness that I feel is appropriate for one bite. So in this instance, I feel like it's gonna be like approximately there. Butt of the knife all the way up here, we're gonna allow the knife to do the cutting. Pulling it down, the tip of the knife is now touching the cutting board and it's gonna do that final edge. All right, so to continue, we're going to just plate this. We have these beautiful pieces. All we need to do now is run, they're still attached, run the chopsticks underneath it. I'm gonna spread them out a little bit. Beautiful plate of sashimi. Soy atomizer with specialty soy sauce. Or some pickled ginger. Put that right there. Some yuzu kosho. Notice that this salmon is not covered or drowning or trying to swim in soy sauce. It just is the right amount.